So, recently I noticed my hand was getting slightly dark. Maybe because I changed my cream or my stress level lately. I decided to use one of the natural hand scrub method. So I thought to myself, it would be so unfair to do this without you. Yeah, it's you. So, darling, I will be taking you through my process of hand scrub to help evenly tone my hand. Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, you're super welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always checking by. Please support me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. Here are the items I will be using for this hand scrub. So I'll be using baking powder. Preferably, I'm to use baking soda, but since it was somewhat an unplanned event, I had to make do of an alternative. But I would advise you make use of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural antiseptic with antibacterial properties. The exfoliating, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda for skin can help reduce the reoccurrence of pimples, add glow to the skin, and get rid of dead skin cells. I will advise you don't use a baking soda mixture more than twice a week, as baking soda can be a little harsh on the skin if continuously used for a long period. On the other hand, baking powder is loaded with properties that agrees with the skin. It is a skin whitener, promotes healthier hair, blemished-free and brighter skin. Here we have the Vaseline. Vaseline is a moisturizer. It helps to seal in other skin treatments. It is great for assisting wound healing, alleviating itching and soothing dry skin. So I'll be making use of 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Next, I'll go in with 2 tablespoons of Vaseline, then stir for a while, and finally adding half the cup of my raw unrefined honey. Honey is a very deep moisturizer and it will help to deeply moisturize my hand. Honey is also an effective, pure clearer and gentle exfoliator. Honey lightens scars and diminishes the signs of premature aging. So here, I'm mixing it thoroughly till the 3 items are evenly mixed together. Finally, we have our hand scrub mixture looking so welcoming. Here, I was considering using the spoon or my hand, and finally I settled for the brush because the brush does the spreading better. So gently apply it on the back of your palm. Ensure no area is left untouched. I'm done now, and I'll be using a hand glove so it doesn't disturb my activities for the period I'll be letting it sit on my hand, and also to allow it to do its work on my back palm. So guys, this is the end result. I was able to achieve a brighter hand, though not perfectly because I couldn't wait so long for the sake of this video. Though if I had left it much longer, it would have been a much more amazing result. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section as regards this recipe. Is this what you would love to try this weekend? Alright darlings, thanks so much for staying with me to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Like this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.